Gaming-centric Android smartphones are certainly a niche, but maybe one more popular than you might realize. ASUS has enjoyed a long presence in this segment, and now the next installment in its iconic ROG lineup, the ROG Phone 6, is making its debut in early July. The phone has been making its presence known since back in January, and more recent leaks have spared no detail in showcasing the hardware's appearance. Now some fresh images offer us a good look at the controller accessories ASUS has been cooking up. The ASUS ROG Phone 6 series is scheduled to debut globally on July 5th. The launch event will simultaneously take place in Taiwan, China, and the US. Ahead of the launch, key specifications of the ROG Phone 6 have already appeared on the TENA database. Now, reliable Tipserev Leaks has revealed that the ROG Phone 6 series will debut with a specially made controller, making it more convenient to game on smartphones. The renders reveal that the controller has an Xbox-style button and trigger placement, and the overall appearance is identical to the ASUS ROG Kunai 3 controller. Like the Kunai Gamepad, the new controller is also expected to have two connectivity modes, Bluetooth and the included bumper case. The controller will come with a pair of additional grips for ease of use in the Bluetooth mode. Additionally, it appears that it will come in two color options, white and black. A previous report revealed that ASUS is also planning on launching a new snap-on cooling fan accessory, called the Aero Active Cooler 6. It will be interesting to see if the gamepad and the cooling fan could be used together, and if it would be practical as a handheld gaming device due to the weight factor. So far, we know that the ROG Phone 6 will feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus with 165Hz refresh rate and an in-display fingerprint scanner for security. Under the hood, the device will house the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset paired with up to 18 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of built-in storage. Other than that, it will run on Android 12-based ROG UI and will pack a 6000 mAh dual-cell battery with 65-watt fast charging support. It is also confirmed to offer IPX4 water resistance. What do you think about the new gamepad from ASUS? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.